morning, everyone. So I just went for a run, as you guys can tell. I try to wake up before she does so I can like work out, but if she wakes up by then I can't work out. So usually I would just like go on a run with her, and she usually likes that. But it's just so freaking hot in Florida right now, guys. It's like 100 something outside, and I was like dying. The heat was like making me exhausted more than running. I was gonna go run all the way to Dunkin's to get some coffee, but I was like, yeah, screw this. I'm going back to the house, and we're gonna go in the nice car in the AC and go to Dunkin's ourselves. So today's gonna be a really productive day because I have to do a lot of things because we are going on a little trip on the weekend. So I need to clean the house and like organize it because the house has been super messy lately. And then I also have to run some errands. I'm planning on getting like a new camera, and then I also want to get like a TV in here for Eliana to entertain her because the road trip is like 6 hours, or an iPad for her. Before anyone's like, oh my god, why would you get her an iPad? Because I can. Okay, I don't know why, but there's just so much shame with parents who buy their kids like iPads or get them screen time. I told myself, it's so funny too, because I told myself I would never be those parents, and look at me now. If it makes life easier, why not do it? But you know, like, we're only gonna give her the iPad when it comes to like road trips or like when we're going on the plane. But it's like everyday activities. She always does her toy rotation. Her having an iPad does not concern me. She likes to use my phone to watch like Miss Rachel when we're in the car sometimes. And so if that helps me and Elijah out and makes this road trip easier, I'm gonna get her an iPad. The moms who are anti-iPads are screaming and clawing their eyes out right now, probably saying I'm a bad mother. There was this trend where it's like,
my kid's not gonna be an iPad kid, my kid is gonna be an outdoors kid.
Baby, you can do both of them. It's called balance. My daughter literally goes to the beach, the playground, like every single day, or she's always outdoors like half of the day, like today for example, and then she's inside playing or she's watching TV. And usually her screen time is like no longer than 20 minutes, 15 minutes. She can't even sit in front of a TV for longer than 15 minutes anyways because she will get bored. I read this quote where it's like, you can never be a perfect parent. No one is a perfect parent. You just have to learn to be a good one. Another thing too, Miss Rachel has taught my daughter a lot of things. I usually teach her stuff too. Like, she's pretty good at learning things. Like, we do like a lot of flashcards and read books every single night. Like, I made sure to make that a thing. But Miss Rachel has taught her a lot of things. You know, when it comes to this whole parenting thing, I'm gonna give some credit to Miss Rachel. I want to put her in like classes because God knows if I start teaching her stuff, she's gonna end up not knowing how to spell. I really want to put her in classes eventually when she's like old enough, and I feel like that'd just be really fun for her to like learn more before she goes to kindergarten. She'll be the smartest kid in class.
Are you eating your snack? Thank you. Oh, you want the coffee? You want the coffee? You can't have coffee, mamas. You can't have coffee.
Somehow I convinced my sister to come here. She's gonna come over here and help me watch Eliana while I try to clean. I'm gonna try to clean for like 2 hours max. And this girl is crazy. We're matching today. Did you realize that? Okay. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Anyways, so I'm gonna start off with the kitchen first. The kitchen is usually always messy. Like, we always leave things, as you can see, all over the table, but it's mostly the dishes. I hate doing dishes. Who likes doing dishes? If you like doing dishes, then you're weird. Eliana's gonna go ahead and help me organize the cabinets. As you can see here, thank you. You're doing a great job. The second episode of For the Gals is up. In that podcast, the episode is about like relationships. So we talked about like friendships, breakups. I told one of my crazy like ex stories, I guess you would say. It's a really good podcast, so I'll link it down below so you guys can go listen to it. It's like 30-40 minutes. So you guys can like get ready and like listen to the podcast, or you can be driving. If you're going on a road trip, you can drive and listen to it. I don't know. Listen to it while you're falling asleep. It was pretty funny though, because I spilled the tea. Eliana's new favorite toy, I guess, it's not even really a toy, is this slide, and she actually got it for her birthday. It's a cardboard slide, so it's easy to fold up, and I'll show you guys. It's pretty sturdy because I can even sit on this and Elijah can, and we can like slide down this and it won't break, but it's made out of cardboard. I think it's like $23 on Amazon. I'll link it down below for y'all. She's pretty good at getting all the way up on the slide, but sometimes it scares me because I'm scared that she'll fall back. So I'm usually here watching her. And then to fold it up, it's pretty easy. All you do is just push these in like that, and then that's it. That's why I really love the slide, because I can like store this in the closet when she's done instead of leaving all her stuff here. And then to just pop it back, you just lay it flat like this, and then you just take these two ends and just do that. Look who's here. I'm gonna go get ready right now. I'm not gonna film this part because I'm planning on filming like a get ready with me soon. But I just finished cleaning and we're gonna probably go out and grab some lunch because I'm really hungry. And we're also gonna go shopping too because we're going on a little vacation this weekend and I wanna just get a few things for us. Right now it's like Eliana's nap time, so I'm hoping she'll just fall asleep in the car. I don't know yet, we'll figure it out, but I gotta go get ready really quickly. Hey, do you wanna do a fit check, Tara? Yeah. I was wearing brown shorts at first and then Tara was like, okay, Scooby-Doo. Here. Also, look what Eliana did to my drawer.
Where's Eliana's fit from? Where's your fit from? This is from Kayla's closet. Paxson and Shein.
Nice.
Oh, you shop at Shein? You shop at Shein?
Me and Tiara were gonna go get like sushi and stuff, but Eliana literally fell asleep right when we got in the car. We got McDonald's instead, and I don't like eating in my car, but I'm letting this slide for today because I don't want to get out in the restaurant and then she wakes up and then she doesn't end up getting her nap that she's supposed to have. I got a bunch of food because I'm starving. I didn't eat breakfast. I only made breakfast for Eliana, not me. But oh, I thought that was her. So I got 2 cheeseburgers and I also got chicken nuggets as well. When I'm having a productive day, I don't have time to cook. So I swear McDonald's is different when you're like really hungry. I'm more of a Taco Bell person. I love Taco Bell. I've never gotten sick from Taco Bell ever. McDonald's I have. Yeah, you know whose burgers are really good?
Let me guess, Five Guys.
No, fast food. Well, Five Guys is fast food.
Burgers?
Huh?
Burger King.
Yes, their Whopper sandwich. Oh, so good with the onions.
I got food poisoning from it.
Really? Huh. I love their Whopper burger, but it makes me like my breath smell. But I love onions. That's probably why. I can like eat onions. I love garlic too. I'm a garlic and onion girl.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking.
I'm gonna show you guys a little haul of everything that I got. So let's start off with this first, because she'll definitely be happy about this. I got the Fire HD 10 for kids. This one's pretty big. I was gonna get her a small one, but eventually, when she does get bigger, I would have gotten her the bigger screen, so I just got her this. So I got it in purple because they didn't have a pink one, but she's gonna be one of those kids. You're a tablet kid now. I did go to Urban Outfitters and I usually like don't shop a lot for me. If I'm shopping, it's either just for Elijah or Eliana, but I decided to get stuff for me. I did get this for my friend Maddie. I got this because my sister got one in blue and I got one in black. The only problem is that they only had a size small and I wear an extra small, so I'm hoping this will fit like perfectly. And then I also got these like cargo brown pants. I think these are cargo pants. I got it in extra small. I didn't try it on, so I have no clue if it's gonna look cute. I feel like these two would look really cute together. And then I got these earrings. I love these earrings because they had like crystals on it. Cute. And I also got gold earrings as well. I'm a gold girl. I don't like silver. My sister, on the other hand, she loves silver. I don't. I also got these PJs. It's just these loose brown shorts and then this top right here. I wish the top didn't have this like random like hole in the middle. I usually just always wear like an oversized t-shirt and then some random shorts, but I want to start wearing like matching PJs now. Lastly but not least, Nordstrom. I got these things for Elijah. He likes like basic clothes like this, so I just got him a t-shirt in gray and it's from the Top Men. And then this one right here, I wanted him to start wearing like button-ups. If you have a boyfriend or a husband, you know like men do not shop for themselves. Like they cannot shop for themselves. He will never shop for himself, so I usually shop for him. I also got him this, and he doesn't wear button-ups, but he has this one gray one that looks really good on him, so I got him a blue one. The problem is I didn't look at the price tag for this. I was in like the cheaper area of Nordstrom, and I was assuming this was like $25, $30, And then when she scanned it, it was $98. I am not joking. It was $98 for this shirt. Low-key upset about it, but it's okay. And then I also got him this too. I got him in another button up, and this is for the vacation that we're going on. It's like beachy themed. He will probably not wear this. He does not wear stuff like this, but I want him to start wearing stuff like this. And I'm hoping he'll like it. So that's all I got. I'm gonna wait till Elijah gets home, and then we'll have him try it on, and we'll see if he likes it or not. Here we go. So here's the first shirt. Check it out. Let me know.
What's the occasion?
Okay, nothing. I just went shopping.
You just got me something?
Yeah, I just got you stuff. Let me know if you like
Out
it.
of the blue?
Babe, don't question it.
Something's going on.
Nothing's going on.
Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna wear it as my work shirt.
These two things are kind of different, so I don't know if you're gonna like it or not, but if you don't like it, let me know, because I gotta return it, because one of them was like $100 here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You have a gray one kind of like that, yeah.
Yeah, I'll actually keep this one. Thanks, babe.
Do you like it?
No, I do like it. I like it. I'll wear it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, can you
It'll
try it
go
on later on? Now this one, I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Is it
because it's
purple?
very different.
Is it purple?
It's not purple, it's just like, I don't know if you're gonna like it. Like, it's different, but I want you to wear it on the little beach vacation we go on.
Okay.
Be honest, you don't have to lie to me.
No, I'll wear whatever you do.
I feel like that would look nice with some like tan or black shorts.
Black shorts?
Honesty, you don't have to lie. I can return it. It's tax-free day today.
What's tax-free day?
You don't know what tax-free day where everything is no tax? Because it's back to school season?
I didn't know that.
Oh. Do you like it?
I do. I'll actually put it on right now.
Okay.
That like gets off.
Okay.
You got our tablet. Yep. I knew it.
What do you think though?
I like
It's only
it.
for traveling and for
I like
car
it.
rides.
I
You
like
it?
I can see you. I come home. This is on the floor with her just playing on it, and you're doing your nails or something like that. I can just see it. You're gonna abuse the power this thing holds in this box.
And then I also got stuff for me, but I don't know if you care to see it. Do you want to see it?
Sure.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do it off camera. This is why it's so stupid that they put the oven right next to the fire alarm.